Take a deep breath right now, wherever you are. Close your eyes for just a moment. Listen. Can you hear it? That gentle, rhythmic drumming. It's the rain, telling a story as old as time itself. Not a story of urgency, not a story of tasks, but a quiet, ancient narrative of a restoration and rest. Today, we step away from the noise and into the silent wisdom that falls from the sky. Let the world outside blur, because for the next 10 minutes, there is only this sound and this peace. The rain arrives not as a demand, but as a commitment, each drop a tiny sacrifice, willingly returning to the earth to nourish what has dried out. Think of your anxieties, your worries, your endless to-do list. Don't forget to follow and like. Thank you for being here.